In this video, you'll learn how to check your payment history on Taskrabbit. By following these steps, you will be able to view all your past transactions and payments with ease. Begin by navigating to the Taskrabbit homepage. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you are not signed in, you will need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you are on the homepage, locate your account icon. This icon is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. After clicking the account icon, look for the option labeled Account and select it. This action will direct you to your account settings page where various account-related options are available. Next, focus on the left side menu of the account page. Here, you will find a section titled Your Account. Within this section, locate and click on the option labeled Transactions. Once you click on Transactions, you will be taken to a new screen that displays your payment history. On this page, you will see a comprehensive list of all your past transactions and payments. Take a moment to review the listed transactions. Each entry will provide details about the date, amount, and type of transaction. This information allows you to keep track of your spending and payments effectively. If you need to check for specific transactions, consider using any available filters or search functions on the payment history page to quickly find the information you need. That completes the process of checking your payment history on Taskrabbit. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.